Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to show you a few pictures I took on how I created this little decor piece that I have in my living room. First, I needed a stretched canvas, 5 by 7 inches. I removed the canvas. I tried to do it carefully. I didn't know if I was going to use it, but in the end I didn't. I chose ballet slipper chalk paint to paint my frame. I also painted 12 beads that I got from Amazon. Then on Word, I got my saying, and I used the Bramello and the other font that I have written there. I forgot what it was. I printed it on poster board. Just be careful when you take it out of an inkjet printer. You might get a smudge. Then I cut it to fit the back and stapled it on. I had some eye screws and I just added them to each corner on the top. And then I took some floral wire and I strung my 12 beads. And then I attached one to the eye hook one side, wrapped it around tight, and then on the other side, and added a ribbon, and then I was done. And here it is in my little vignette in my living room. I just felt my books and my block were a little too blah. And thanks for stopping by, and I appreciate if you would give this video a like, and follow me if you don't already. Take care.